Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the up button to open the menu on our watch. Once the menu opens, you can use up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now select the settings option and then press the start button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu, find the system option and press the start button to enter. Now make sure that the language option is selected, and once it's selected, press the start button. And at this point you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it, of course, by using the up and down button. Find the language you like to use on your watch, select it, and once you select it, press the start button to confirm and apply it. Oh, it took a while, but after a couple of seconds the language should change, as you can see. You can also change the language by using the phone app if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna move my watch, bring the phone, open the Germin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, let's tap on the menu icon to open the menu. Scroll down, scroll down, tap on the Garmin devices. On this list, select your Forerunner 645. On this page, scroll down, tap on General. Now, let's find the language option at the bottom, tap on it, scroll through the list of languages, find the language you like to use, tap on it, select it, and then go back to the device page, basically to this page. It's gonna say that a setting successfully saved. Now we need to wait until the watch syncs with our phone. As you can see, it was syncing now, but if it's not syncing for some reason, you can simply tap on this button to force it to sync. We can also close the menu. Oh, it already changed, but basically after the watch syncs with the application, with the phone, it's gonna update the settings, as you can see. Okay, we can go back. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.